All right, let's talk about security. Security is no joke. So the data we had is that a couple of years ago, there were 712 reported cyber attacks on schools in the United States. That number is certainly low. A lot of people don't report them. Um, all kinds of problems from them. Data breach, right? You have a responsibility to keep your data confidential. This is FERPA. People can ransom your system and your data, and you can see this is not rare. Accidental disclosure, right? Somebody sends the wrong file to the wrong computer and you've got a problem. People phishing with administrators looking to get into access to their system through them, et cetera, other malware. So this is no joke. So let me say this about it, is that if you end up having a cybersecurity problem, this will be laid at your door. So you need to focus on it. This may not be what you care much about, but it's important. You need to have a team that handles it. You need to charge them with the mission of keeping current on tools and making sure that there's cybersecurity every step of the way. So fundamentally, there are two types of security systems and encryption systems. And this is data that's sitting in a file can be encrypted, and data that's moving between systems can be encrypted when it leaves and then de-encrypted when it arrives. And so there are systems for each of these. And you need to make sure that all of these are in place. Like I say, you've got a major problem. You'll have parents screaming. You'll have students who tell you they can't do any work, they can't get onto their system, and you'll have your bosses all over you. So here's a bunch of these that provide cybersecurity solutions. Some of them are built into other systems that you might use, but I would say you need to be at least familiar with what the cybersecurity issues and solutions are, and you need to manage the process on an ongoing